Before we start, make sure you wash your hands. Wash all the vegetables with a clean running water. Slice the cucumber and tomatoes. Remove the tomato seeds. Season the cucumber, tomatoes and lettuce with salt and pepper. Separate the sauce and tuna and place in a clean bowl. Slice onion and add to the tuna. Add mayonnaise on the bowl of tuna and onions and mix well. On a clean plate, prepare 2 pieces of bread. Place the lettuce on one bread. Layer it with sliced tomatoes and cucumber. Then add the tuna spread. Yippee! Our finished product.